video of it. Maddie, I can't see the fireworks.
Take a picture with her in it. It looks good. That's cute, Maddie. Hold it in front of the fireworks.
I'm trying to take a video of it.
Oh,
there you go.
Cute, Maddie.
Maddie, can you bend down?
Look at these spiral ones.
They look like the Kylie.
Okay, Maddie, don't.
Look at that.
Maddie, look.
Turn around,
Maddie,
man.
don't.
Bend down, Maddie. You can see it better.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, look at that, Maddie. Watch. I know. Watch. But see now, Jaden, I'm not missing it. It ticks me off.
I think she left on purpose to find somewhere else. There's no helicopters this time. Whoa.
Oh, pretty.
Chloe, you taking a video? I am.
What's awesome is Going sideways, when the right there. planes fly through.
At our house, they went sideways and it almost hit me.
That was a surprise.
Last year it didn't do that.
That was cool.
I know, I saw.
Last year it didn't do that.
No, that was a surprise, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was new.
Last year they never did that.
Yeah. I saw
I
it.
think they were trying to surprise us. I think there's like boats hiding out
I wonder
there.
how they get them to blow in the water. Because they're in the water when they go.
There's boats there.
No, they shot them out in the water. And then they went off in the water.
Oh,
So it must be waterproof, right?
true.
I thought they came from the ground. From the boat.
They shot them from the boat straight out sideways. And then they landed.
Whoa.
And then they went up.
Pretty. Do you see that?
That's cool.
I'm putting this on Instagram when I get home.
Yes.
Ooh, that's nice.
What's the high one?
That's the heart.
Pretty hard.
Smiley face. Ooh.
Awesome. It is. They really do a good display.
You should see the ones that were on at Ontario Place.
Oh, I can
They were
imagine,
really
yeah.
neat.
How do they light it this fast?
They just light them quickly and then they.
Or do they have like a lot of people on?
It could also be programmed. It detonates itself.
Ooh, pretty. That one made a cross. Whoa! The heart, I saw the heart. I saw the heart.
Yeah, there was a heart.
Oh, a heart, a sideways heart. I want a surprise again. I want another surprise.
These things cost so much money, man. I can't believe it.
Oh, a flower.
Here we go.
Trying to get it a little out.
Now there's
Pretty.
lots of them going up.
There's gonna be a surprise, I think.
Surprise?
Yeah, probably.
There we go.
I want another
There we go.
surprise. Oh, I see the boat in the background, man. I see the boat. Mommy. Woo! Grand finale, I think.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
that can't be the grand finale yet.
I want another surprise for the grand finale.
It has to be really good. Like, really, really good.
Yeah?
If it's a small one for the grand finale, I will scream.
All of a sudden you'll see lots and lots going up.
What the heck? They're saying Merry Christmas.
Well, because they're all green and red, right? That's kind of Christmas colors.
Sorry. We need some like red and white.
I wonder how they make a heart.
I don't know.
Maybe they place it out like that and then they shoot it up.
No, but I mean, like, do they come out straight tubes? How do they make a heart?
I don't know.
Maybe they made a heart tube and then they put them in and it shoots up as a heart.
It's almost over, Maddie.
Big finale will be coming now.
Wait, Mom, are you videotaping?
Oh, it's not the end. It's not the end.
There's high ones up there.
It's going up.
There'll be lots when it goes off for the finale.
Oh, Chloe's videotaping it. Are you?
I am. I'm videotaping it, Mom.
Oh, so is Kylie. You can get it somehow.
I need her to send it to me, which will get into my gallery, and then I can put it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, I see the boat, Mom. I see the boat in the background. Like I saw the boat right now. I can see the boat.
How long is yours, Kai?
6 minutes.
Same with mine.
16 seconds. 20 now.
Mom,
Turn
look
around.
behind you. Mine is at 7 minutes.
Oh my God.
There's so many lights. Just
Relax.
please
Sit down. Sit down.
There's
You're
a
missing-
fire. Mom, there's a fire truck and
I know.
police.
Just sit down. It's probably something happened.
How?
Well, sometimes people put off these things and they don't know how to do it right. They work.
And it hurts them really bad. Grand finale's coming.
I'm gonna leave right away, okay?
Yep.
So you help Dad carry all the stuff and do whatever you have to do, okay? And I'll call you.
Nice.
I'm going to zoom out a
There
little.
we go.
I'm putting this on YouTube and Instagram.
I didn't videotape the
You just know when it's
My ex-brother-in-law used to do that.
Do what?
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Didn't Grandpa do fireworks?
Did you know Dave did that?
Yeah.
Freeman Dave? Yeah, Dave.
Really?
He used to do it before he worked for Mac Truck.
Whoa.
I never knew that.
Ooh.
I hope Jaden's not lost.
She's not lost.
Well, where the hell are they?
I like that. It's like a wave going down, Daddy. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Gotta go zoom in. Gotta zoom in, man. I'm not cold either, Mom.
There you go.
Oh, I
Wicked
got.
when they came up to the other side.
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm zooming into that. It's like
What?
up.
Put on your shoes. She has to go to the bathroom.
It's almost over,
We're
man.
gonna miss the finale. Can you wait 2 minutes?
Hello?
Oh my God.
Zoom out for the finale. Yeah.
All right. This one's long.
That was a big heart, man. It's bigger than last year. It's better.
Yes, it is.
It's longer. It's longer and better than last year. Mine was 8 minutes. Chloe, how long is yours?
9 minutes, 47, 48, 53 seconds.
Mine's 9 minutes and 9 seconds.
You've been recording it longer than me.
Ooh, that's probably the grand finale.
It's coming, probably, yeah.
Zoom in.
There's gotta be big ones up in the air somewhere.
Oh, there. There goes some. Is that the grand finale? No, it's not.
It will be in a minute.
Boom. I gotta zoom in.
They're gonna do it all at once. They're gonna shoot up a whole bunch at one time.
Yeah. They're probably gonna do the side ones and the up ones,
We're
probably.
gonna see all kinds going.
They better say it like side ones. I want to see the side ones again. you hear that, Dad?
I do.
Those ones are irritating.
That's nice.
Here we go.
All right, Maddie, look, watch.
This is the
Maddie,
grand
look,
finale.
look,
Uncle Jamie. I want to see the side one again.
look. They might not do it again. It was a surprise.
I wish they would.
Watch so you hit Sarah in the head. Watch.
There's still more. There's still more. Woo! Woo! Wow, big shot. Woo!
All right.
Whoa!
That's pretty good.
Mom, they let out another lantern.
Where the hell is Jada?
Where's Jane? She missed it. Let's just saw her. She can't be calling the phone that long. Happy Canada Day! Whoa! Yeah, what?
Yeah, there's people in the.